name is Textiles, and today I'm going to show how to set the limits and pair up the remote to the Evaglide Motorised curtain track. These instructions will also work with the Evaglide Motorised pole. The first thing I'm going to show you how to do is to pair a remote control to the motor. This will work with all of our remotes, but I'm going to show this on a multi-channel remote. I'm going to program it to channel 4. First thing you need to do is press and hold the button on the motor until the light flashes once, and then let go and the motor will beep. Within 10 seconds you need to press and hold stop on the remote for around 5 seconds, and the motor will beep 3 times. That's your remote now paired. The next thing I'll show you how to do is to set the limits. Immediately after pairing the remote, the motor will go into limit settings mode. If you press down, the motor will run all the way to the centre of the track and hit hard. This will set its closed position. Once it's closed, press up or open. The motor will run all the way open, hit hard and set its open position. The motor will then beep 3 times to confirm it has registered its open limit. The limits are now saved. If when you come to set your limits the curtain opens rather than closes when pressing down, all you need to do is press and hold up and stop together for around 3 seconds. The motor will beep 3 times to confirm you've reversed the motor direction. Press close now. The curtains will run all the way to the centre or the other end of the track if it's a single curtain and hit hard. That will set its closed position and closed limit. Press open or up and the curtains will run all the way open and hit hard. And then that will set its open position. The motor will beep 4 times. Once your limits are set, you can then readjust your stack position or your closed position. To do so, you would press and hold up and stop for your open limit or down and stop for your closed position. I'm going to readjust my open limit by holding up and stop together simultaneously. The motor will beep after a couple of seconds. You can then open and close using the remote control, or you can manually pull the curtain and set your stack position. Once set, again press up and stop or down and stop depending on which limit we're doing. Hold for a few seconds and the motor will beep 3 times to confirm. We'll now remember that as its stack position. Next I'll show you how to set a middle or preferred position. To do this, we will open or close the curtain until we're at the position we would like the curtain to remain. Then we'll remove the back, and on the top left of the battery compartment there is a P2 button. Press that once and the motor will beep. Press stop, the motor will beep, and then press stop a second time. The motor will beep 3 times to confirm its settings. If we wish to return the curtain to that position, all we need to do is press and hold stop for 3-4 seconds. The curtain will start running and it will go open to that position. The next thing I'll show you how to do is to copy from one channel to another channel or from one remote to another remote. So the first thing you'll need is your original remote that you have the product paired to, and then either a second remote or another channel on the remote you're using. All you need to do is press P2 on the channel you have the product paired to. The motor will beep. Press P2 again, the motor will beep, and then move to the second channel or the second remote and press the P2 button once more. The motor will beep 3 times to confirm it's now working on that channel. If you require a full factory reset, all you need to do is press and hold the button on the motor. The motor will flash 4 times and then beep 4 times. After the 4 beeps, your motor has completely reset back to factory settings. This will remove all pairings and limits. Thank you.